Bitcoin is free falling. How many times have you heard me say I am comfy in my shorts? Bitcoin's currently sitting at $85,000. Stocks just made a new all-time high, but as I'm recording this video, we are dumping, which naturally affects Bitcoin. Precious metals continue to make new all-time highs, and I really don't think there will be a rotation. Don't shoot the messenger. In today's video, we'll be talking about all of this, going over the most recent Bitcoin price action, and taking you through how I'm currently navigating this market. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I understand that it's frustrating when you're feeling bullish and then you watch me on YouTube and I'm very bearish. Yesterday, as Bitcoin was pumping up to $90,000, I essentially came out with a bearish video telling you that my expectation was Bitcoin was still gonna dump. Yes, I entered a scalp long with a small percentage of my trading portfolio, took some profits, then got stopped out at break even, but you can see that my big trade is still very much in play, and that was a short from $97,000. We now got a $12,000 move to the downside. Don't get emotionally attached to this market and you're able to make money trading it. I get it. It's frustrating. We all want crypto to go up. Believe me, I would love nothing more than for crypto to go up. But the reality is we are in free fall because this is bear market price action. This trade will likely continue to pay dividends and you'll probably get frustrated about me talking about it on the channel. But guys, when everyone is bullish, I come out and I'm usually bearish, especially if we're headed right up into resistance. I hope you can appreciate my honesty. Still macro bearish, same higher time frame analysis. And remember, all of these trades were shared in my group. That's the first link in my description down below. DM me the keyword 2026 and I'd be happy to onboard you into my free group. All of my trades, win or lose, are shared there. But a reminder as well, I am not a financial advisor. Yes, I come on the internet, I show my trades on a day-by-day basis, my overall market analysis, but nothing that I discuss in my community or on the YouTube channel should be construed as financial advice. Now that we got that out of the way, what is next for Bitcoin? Because this is looking really, really ugly. And one of the reasons why we're now dumping even more is because the stock market is getting a little bit of a correction. We made a brand new all-time high, hitting 7,000. Gold and silver continuing to make brand new all-time highs. Gold hitting $5,500 for the first time in history. Then we had silver going all the way up to 120. Crypto is not catching a bid. And you want to know why? It's a riskier asset class. That's all there is to it. Now, this isn't a video to tell you go max short because you want to wait for some relevant bounces. And actually, bouncing up to around $90,000 could have been another opportunity to go short. But again, if we take a look at this kind of price action right before a potential government shutdown, maybe we can get a little bit of a move up and then move a little bit lower, but ultimately my base case is still lower. Now, there's still rumors that we have this government shutdown likely to occur on Saturday, although the odds have decreased from around 75% to 50%. So we'll have to see if we even get that. But something that you need to also consider, and this is probably going to frustrate you even more, but hey, I'm going to show you it anyways because this is how I navigate the market. Look at the price action that we got in 2022. I'm going to take a bar pattern and show you exactly why this is crucial price action for you to pay attention to. You can see that from all-time highs down to this level, we essentially had a nice push to the bull market support band, and actually the exact same thing occurred. Take a look at this. From all-time highs, Bitcoin dropped, then we had a nice little move to the upside, and this move that we're seeing right now, right up until that bull market support band, when Bitcoin went to around $97,000, $98,000, that was it. In my opinion, that was a very, very good shorting opportunity. I mean, you don't need me to tell you. Bitcoin is literally just flying low here. Oh my God, I can't believe what I'm seeing and how fast it's actually happening. But the point is you want to get into these positions before they actually happen. And I share all of my positions in my group. But here's the thing. Stock market, if it continues to dump, Bitcoin will be dumping further. And you can see that the Coinbase premium is in severe drawdown here, continued red, negative premium. And the ETFs are continuing to sell. And something else you need to consider, Trump is most certainly not happy with Fed Chair Jerome Powell after yesterday's FOMC, no cuts as expected, but Trump came out and basically said, Jerome Tule Powell again refused to cut interest rates, even though he has absolutely no reason to keep them so high. He's hurting our country and its national security. We should have a substantially lower rate now that even this moron admits inflation is no longer a problem or threat. He is costing America hundreds of billions of dollars a year in totally unnecessary and uncalled for interest expense. Because of the vast amounts of money flowing into our country because of tariffs, we should be paying the lowest interest rate of any country in the world. Most of these countries are low interest rate paying cash machines, thought of as elegant, solid, and prime only because the USA allows them to be. The tariffs being charged to them while bringing in billions to us still allows most of them to have a significant trade surplus, though much smaller with our beautiful, formerly abused country. In other words, I have been very nice, kind, and gentle to countries all over the world. With a mere flip of the pen, billions more would come into the US, and these countries would have to go back to making money the old-fashioned way, not on the back of America. I hope they all appreciate, although many don't, what our great country has done for them. The Fed should substantially lower interest rates now. Tariffs have made America strong and powerful again, far more stronger and powerful than any other nation. Commensurate with this strength, both financial and otherwise, we should be paying lower interest rates than any other country in the world. I don't know what you think about this. Leave your comments down below, but this most certainly does not help the crypto market thrive. The reality is, Bitcoin is in a bear market. How many times have you heard me say this? My higher time frame analysis has remained exactly the same. And to be perfectly honest, this could be the move that starts creating that drawdown to below $80,000. We'll have to see how the price action develops, but at this point in time, nothing has changed. This is a very, very quick video. We're dumping, but ultimately, if you were positioned, you stand to benefit from this move down. Quick thing I wanted to address before I end this video, depressing. This was a comment I got in my previous video. Guys, how many times have you heard me say, trade the market that is right in front of you? I have published a tutorial on how to trade the market, which I link to at the end of all of my videos, but I can understand that it's not quite detailed enough for people that really want to get into trading, not just the basics of leverage trading. So my commitment to you is that I will try to film some more trading tutorials so you can navigate this market appropriately, trade the market that's right in front of you, and make money whether we go up or down. And that's that for today's video. Bitcoin is essentially free falling, which was in line with our expectations. If you enjoy the content, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Remember, I have my community, which is the first link in my description down below. I have my bluffin leverage trading tutorial right here, and I'll see you in the next video.